Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T Pro and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key button on this device. So if you want to use the Google Assistant from double batteries to Power Key, you could make it by two ways. Just first one, just press and hold the Power Key button, and now we could activate this option by this way, just by click to got it. Also, you could make it by another way, just by opening the settings. Scroll down to additional settings, tap to gesture shortcuts. Here click to launch Google Assistant, and you could turn on or turn off this option by click to the switcher. So now when this feature is turned off, by pressing hold to power key, we could see the power off menu. When you'll turn it on, by pressing hold, you'll open the power key, the Google Assistant option. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.